it's me, Lifty. Welcome to 5 Nights in Minecraft Classic Edition. So basically, it's Friends for these Minecraft. And I remember this from the game. It's quite weird. Alright. Obviously, we need to start a new game because we didn't, freaking get into the game yet, obviously. So, yeah. So, there's probably gonna be 2 more parts put out today after this. Yeah. Do I need to click? Oh, okay. Need to click 12 a.m. Night 1. Loading. Oh. Huh. Okay. Oh, wait, what? That's already going down? No. Yeah. Oh wait, how do I? Okay, control. No. Don't do that. You guys need to stay there. It's not always fun. Oh, I almost literally let the marionette out. Wow. Can't believe I almost did that. Wait a minute. Oh, it doesn't work. And no squeak doesn't work. Ugh. I don't know why I did that. Okay, shut up. We know this. We know this. Shut up. Shut up. No, not lucky me at all. I don't care. I just want to get this night over with. Shut up. Shut up. No, it's not. It's one of the worst places to be. And it's coming from me. I don't know why I keep doing that. So just every once in a while, switch over to the prize counter video feed and wind it up for a few seconds. It doesn't seem to affect all of the animatronics. Shut up, I know this. We all know this. Shut up. I should have muted him, but I didn't do it because for those who are new to Five Nights at Freddy's and stuff. Dude, I don't care. I just want to get this night over with. Yeah. Something else worth mentioning is kind of the modern design of the building. You may have noticed that there are no doors for you to close. Yeah. But you got a light, and even though your flashlight can run out of power, the building can. Nice. That almost messed me up. Yeah, I'm gonna make sure that's what's gonna mess me up. That freaking music box. That is what's gonna mess me up. We haven't seen anyone yet. You guys, oh. Wait, I think, yeah, wait a minute. Yeah, Toy Chica and Toy Bonnie are gone. Oh. Can I just do this? Aw.
That's what I don't get. Why can't you just look on the cameras with the Freddy mask and use the flashlight as it? That's what I don't get. Oh, we're probably 4 AM. We haven't saw anyone yet. That's cool. Yeah. I hope we never see anyone. You can come in this office anytime you want to when I'm not here. But when I'm here, I don't want you here. Got it? Oh, what? What the heck? There we go. It wouldn't go down. Oh, I hit the wrong button. That's why it wouldn't work. Ugh. I always forget about this music box. I hate that. Bring this up. Find it up again. Wow, we literally, I know it's night 1. Usually night 1 you at least see someone move. I'm not gonna check the cameras, but I mean like in the vents and stuff. In the hallway and stuff. There we go. Wind that crap up. Like, I haven't seen anyone in these 3 spots or near this office at all yet. That's unusual, because usually in night 1 of fan games too, there's usually at least an animatronic. There we go! Yeah! Okay. So now, night 2. Alright. This guy usually talks until 12. Hi, retard. Get out of here, nobody likes you.
The idea at first was to repair them. They even started retrofitting some of the newer technology. They were just so ugly, you know. The smell. So
Hey, that's not nice, man. That's not nice to say.
Those older ones shouldn't be able to walk around, but if they do, the whole Freddy head trick should work on them too, so
Ah, what the heck? Get out of here.
Did you ever see Foxy the Pirate?
No, and I don't want to.
Oh yeah, Foxy. Hey, listen, that one was always a bit twitchy. I'm not sure the whole Freddy head trick will work on Foxy. If for some reason he activates during the night and you see him standing at the far end of your hall, just flash your light at him from time to time. His older models always can get disoriented with red lights, cause some system restart or something. Come to think of it, you might want to try that on any room or something.
Oh my god, did I just mess up? Oh.
Which might have been carried over in some of the newer models as well.
Hiya. See, this is what I mean. I already see. Good thing you said something. Good thing you said something. Good. Oh my god. Good thing he said something about that box, so I forgot about that.
I don't think the Freddy head mask would fool it. So just don't forget the music box.
Thank you for reminding me again, Jesus.
Have a good night, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.
You too. No. Oh, I hear. No. Let me put the mask on. Oh, hi. Hi, Mangle. I know. Stop going down. Hi, Toy Bonnie. Get out of here, please. Thank you. No, no, no. Red. God dang it! Get out of here! Get. That was close. That was real close, guys. Really close. Really, really close. Oh my god. Shut up! Wind this up before he gets here. Ha! Ha! Please turn to 4 a.m. Please turn to 4 a.m. Please turn. Oh, 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 wind it up, wind it. Oh, no, no, put the magic on. Ah. God dang it. Oh. Oh my god. Holy crap. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to tell your friends too, and make sure to tell me in the comment section down below what you'd like me to play next. See you guys.